Hello everyone. I'm Wilson Wang from Million-Pac. I'm a Million-Pac director. Workshop is P coated or the PLA coated water-based coating the machines. And this one we have this is a raw paper, and then the paper will be pushed inside, and then from here and pass we have two sides. One side, and this is another row. When this row finish, and that row it will be automatically junked together, so the machine is not stopped. And this is the paper roll, and every day in the morning our workers to prepare the 6-ton paper roll, put it here. We have two lines. One line is this one, and this line is put inside. And this one is the first row finished, and after one another row is coming. Look, this one is almost finished, and after that row is automatically started to start. So the machine is not stopped. Okay. Here is the paper is from here, and then the paper is flat, and this one is it's sucked the dust on the paper and keep the paper is clean. And here is a corn. It's the main products, the parts of our machine. Here, this one is P or PLA. The melt it's about 380 degrees, and then the P or PLA melt from this machine, and then after melt the material is rain down, and then rain down on the paper, and after rain down on the paper, this is a cold. This is a cold roll. The immediately cold. And then it's the paper and the P or PLA melt material is together immediately. This is one side. Our machine is two sides. This is one side, and this is another side. Another side, we call it's glossy. That is a matte side. This another side is a glossy side. So we can do the one-side coating or two-side coating. If for example for ice cream or for the ice cream cup, and for the coated cup, it's cold drinking cup, it's a double-side coating. If it's a coffee cup or the food containers, only one side inside coating. After coating, we also have to here is for the slit, because our machine it's 1.7 meters wide, and we will cut from in the middle to fit the different products with different width of the paper roll. Now this is finished after coating finished products paper roll, and after paper roll the paper roll will be coming from here. This is automatic packaging. After automatic packaging, it will be from this way, and then it will ship out, or we use it by ourselves. Thank you.